Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to restore your firewall, Windows firewall setting to restore default. So how to do that? Just you need to open the run, run command here, and then on the search you need to type a firewall.cpl and click on OK. And once you click on OK, you can see here restore default. You can choose this option restore default, or you can choose advanced options, and then you can see here restore default policy, and two ways to restore the default policy. This is for in-bolt and out-bolt rule, and this one is for complete restore setting on your computer. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.